name's Kyle, President of LUXE Auto Lounge.
I'm Kieran, Vice-President of LUXE Auto Lounge.
We're a premium pre-owned car dealership. We have a beautiful 8-bay service department. We also offer full vehicle service, repair, and maintenance. Even if you didn't buy your vehicle from us, we're happy to help you with your vehicle servicing needs. We also have one of the best detail facilities in the city, whether you're looking for a basic interior exterior or you're looking for something more involved with regards to protecting your vehicle, whether it be a ceramic coating or paint protection film to protect against stone and rock chips. We also offer rust check, rust protection as well if you want to help prolong the life of your vehicle. So give us a shout if there's anything we can help you with. We built our business on service, quality, trust, and we deliver, period.